Hey hikers, if you're new to the world of hiking, there are a few common mistakes that you might make without even realizing it. Don't worry though, I'm here to help you avoid them. And the best part, you can start learning how to avoid these mistakes without even stepping outside. Now, one big mistake beginners make is not researching the trail before heading out. Thankfully, there are apps like Far Out and All Trails where you can check the trail's difficulty and read users' reviews, even prepare for the elevation gains, all from your home. So always plan your hike based on your fitness and your experience level. Another common mistake is packing too much or too little. This is a challenge for any hiker. So here's some things to consider. If you're packing for a day hike, remember to bring enough water, enough snacks, layers appropriate for the weather. Bring rain gear just in case. And don't forget a first aid kit, a map or GPS device. And if you're hiking in a remote area, be sure to bring extra supplies. Now, it's easy to think that the weather will be perfect for hiking, but conditions can change quickly. Always check the weather forecast the day before your hike and then bring appropriate gear to deal with changing weather, even if you're just planning for a local trail. Don't overestimate your abilities or underestimate the trail's challenges. It's tempting to pick challenging trails, but remember that difficulty is relative. Check other hikers' reviews on apps like Far Out or All Trails to gauge how hard a trail might be. And always start with easier hikes to build up your stamina and your abilities. Dehydration is a sneaky mistake that many beginner hikers make. Be sure you hydrate well before your hike. Bring enough water for the entire journey. A good hydration system can be a lifesaver, literally. And by avoiding these mistakes, you'll make your hiking experience more enjoyable and safer. So what other tips do you wish you knew before your first hike? Drop them in the comments below. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, stay on the path, and God bless you.